didn't call Central Police Station. Didn't call Court Street.
Okay.
And remanded or Tech Police Station.
Oh, okay.
For 2 weeks.
No, that's this. Unfortunately, say we have about
I don't give a fuck. You guys do. It will end up they be in trouble.
You have some awards here.
Ade chimbia yete asem foforo ewo kro yi mo mediane Armstrong Poleeno ade so subscribe to channel where subscribe and click the bell notifications and be anytime we post any video biano you get it straight ko Instagram file phone no say my family na ko Instagram nebo Poleeno_com Poleeno_com ne follow your hustle because more times you posty a lot of content so ewo ho now so when you be quick one yo ho and yet news we say Dr. Ewan. You name Dr. Ewan. Dr. Ewan ye obia oma awards. I mean oma top people in this country no or more awards kama. Awards are got to free more and the more kama say from the UN headquarters. And it's a for the victim D Black and a whole lot of couple of people. And then as I by and say okay hello FM. Eko ye interview. Until right after the interview, no, and opinion say, abeyance account. Send saying, in Chemunina, say, a year 2018, and only obi enya issue, and nipa chrono, and who say, oh, hello, FM day. Walkable police for Amania, Yacheno. Yacheno, no. Or your videos, baby, say, Mukrana watching no, Mohobecheremo. And then it's not right to come and arrest me like that. No, Kasabi. Yeah, then a shame Tech Police Station. Yaman 2 weeks remand. 2 weeks remand. And yeah, easy. But still now the funny thing and I say, I mean, Arr3 to me is very sad. But the funny thing aspect of woman say, oh no, still now nani ajre. Was I dropping another video or police station where ya locking still now or no uhuni face Arr3 crying can. So you can happy yourself. Emma and Dadrina and I say the problem you're having in Bukum and Catania maybe so and Kawaniji always be happy. Like me, I'm always happy. It's not like I don't have a problem. I have a lot of problems, but sometimes you just have to make happiness more. What you say? Quick one, Yene Bone Shaker, Hello FM. A Kwanso Brebro host. Ebetwetwe nkomo na wachire mu de see ene ekwan e fa so e ma ne basa because oko Bonsheka no show so on Wednesday Wednesday na Friday oko Bonsheka show so Wednesday ene say ene Sami B show so morning show no oko so a we ekosi ye no nti quick one ye ne Bonsheka enkasa e wa homa no so na oma yimu nchechire mu ye na so wo hu bi pepepe.
Poleeno.
Hello boss.
Good evening.
About your evening, you're more about Poleeno Multimedia. Okay, and radio, you're fair while and you're bonnet, and some may see what more jumum and I per se are for and answer your viewers in your munchi mukakra.
Well, and you be a Biana Wednesday. Now, or requested officer of Bamishu, so Wednesday.
Okay.
Enti me granting that permission no ba Wednesday na ni di nkomo or ekwan super no so after nkomo no na Sami B or ye morning show hosting also e ka so ke obepese nkobe hosting no and Friday anope or morning show no so
okay
so oko morning show no so anope okasa wie na please for a bar.
Okay. So why you bonny be almost in move by and I say
okay, no much and say on your bio case be since 2018.
okay.
Intina they need him to kind of clarify in your map. Intina omubabe fan or I didn't call but and yeah we be yen crying ni him.
Oh, okay.
Nim say
Bibisa
BBC.
Ebekos.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now,
So yeah.
me be say me bisa say police station be and I say na omode ne koy and I say
Okay.
munchi mu ama.
Aftermath no ba be yes say omode no call Central Police Station. Omode no call court straight.
Okay.
And remanding or Tech Police Station
Oh, okay.
for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Na emunchi mu ama bone poti a waya na say wayesi na
Only
wayesi.
14 nana yen timi enya one no because mun say eba ne ye be pick you say na eye one say ma obeka na on be use against you and then I think say onu su ni nim san yo man so even though mun say no yeah you already wear
Ruffian.
this san yo
Yeah.
man but he knew that if there's anything he will have to keep quiet and maybe omudru ana omaka so yeah, no dear, you preview to assembly or dada.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, better was bebre say onya kwan na hwetwe nkomom repepem ne beba waso ye da se bebre.
So, me fa me das.
Yeah, me sure. Arr3 Bonshika Hello FM a kwanse brebre host na na ye ne hwetwe nkomo na o ma ye munchemu no as I said no Wednesday okoni show so na Sammy B requested no for morning show no and say ene owo ho na asem we epie no I think say enye asem boni bia na say ade a eye huhu bia because ono ano nani age ono angasa no or say prison or no where nani age. We're going to drop all these videos now. As I said earlier, my name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. So unsubscribe to the channel now. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we post any video you get it straight. Ko Instagram, yeah, Instagram. Who here pay? Ko Instagram Poleeno_com. Neko follow. Thank you.
Yo viewers, this is your girl AC_Gagai1. Keep watching Poleeno Multimedia. So we entertainment papa etie. Now we movie papa share. So we area senioma air costo. To say what I say ade na air costo no what I say asha. Poleeno Multimedia. Yes, silly.
Malaika is the name. Keep watching Poleeno Multimedia because oye.